We stayed in a 2-bedroom villa at Marriott's Villas at Doral in December. We'll check it out right after this. Our villa was located in the Sunset building on the 4th floor, unit number 4608. First thing upon entering the unit, you come into the small entryway which contains a high-efficiency washer and dryer. We certainly did make use of these during our stay, as we had a lot of clothes to wash between 2 back-to-back cruises. And before we move further, if you want to see more villa tours, timeshare advice, resort reviews, or industry news, please be sure to click the subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I post other videos. Immediately to the right of the entryway is a door leading into the 2nd bedroom. Let's go in and take a look. This bedroom contains a queen-size bed and pull-out sleeper sofa. There is plenty of storage available in the 2 nightstands or in the large dresser that also has a large television with Blu-ray player. The bedroom also happens to have a couple of closets. This one contains the extra bedding for the pull-out sofa. Immediately through a doorway from the 2nd bedroom is a large bathroom. It contains a bathtub with a shower. There's also a vanity with a large sink and plenty of toiletries to get you through your stay. There's also a lot of bath towels and washcloths, but if you happen to run out, feel free to wash them in that washer and dryer. Now we'll head into a large spacious kitchen. Plenty of counter space to prepare those meals for the family. There certainly is a large side-by-side fridge with a freezer below. Microwave oven, stovetop range, and oven. There's also a full-size dishwasher so you don't need to get your hands dirty, along with a coffee maker and plenty of coffee supplies to get you started. And of course the kitchen is fully stocked. There's silverware and dinnerware for a table of 8. Plus, just about any other kitchen utensil you'd possibly need for your stay. Plus plenty of coffee cups and bowls for your coffee and cereal in the morning. There's also a measuring cup and full-size blender. And kitchen storage containers to store anything you'd like. And there is also plenty of cabinet space to store any pantry items that you purchase. Also included in the kitchen are plenty of pots and pans and other items to use when cooking. And the trash and recycling cans are located under the sink. Up next, we're going to take a look at the living room and dining room. This area is actually open to the kitchen area as well. There's a large dining room table with seating for 6. In addition, in the living room, 2 large chairs, a coffee table, and a large pull-out sofa. There's also a large entertainment unit with a big flat-screen TV and Blu-ray player. And the artwork on the walls add a nice touch. Just off the living room is a large master bedroom. A large king-size bed with plenty of pillows. It's a perfect place to sleep for the night. There's also a large dresser to store all your clothes, and on top, an LCD television with a Blu-ray player. There's also a beautiful ceiling fan to keep the room cool all day and night. Moving into the bathroom area, there's a large jetted tub. This bathroom actually has double sinks, perfect for when 2 people need to get ready. There's also a large closet with an iron and ironing board, laundry basket, and it also has sets of linen for the sofa beds. This is also where you'll find the safe to store your valuables. Moving on to the shower and toilet, these are actually contained in a separate room. Perfect if somebody wants to be getting ready while somebody else is taking a shower. Okay, now to everybody's favorite place, the patio. There's a small patio table with 4 chairs. We just happened to be on the top floor, so we only had lattice covering the patio. not ideal in inclement weather. Have you stayed at Villas at Doral? If so, what did you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time, and remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.